Capricorn, my earth babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Check out my link tree. My link is in the bio. I have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is elevation. I need you to have radical faith in not only your gifts, but the possibilities of what the Spirit is actually going to do for you. I need it for your confidence. I need it for your intellect. Your energy is be not in the clouds. I need it higher. I need it to be in the solar system. Do not limit your gifts. Do not limit what your blessings shall be. Don't think things have to be logical, because this world is everything but logical. Things can happen for no reason, and you can have a multitude of great sized blessing and it doesn't make sense, but you worked for it. As long as you can believe it, you can achieve it. So don't shortchange yourself in the universe. I free myself from fear, because fear fears you. You look in the eye, I guarantee it runs the other way, and then you are on your way to blessings and back on your journey of success. I trust the universe. I direct my thoughts to beauty inside and around me. I use my spiritual strengths and knowledge to create light, and I rise above all doubt. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.